Silent stars are shining o'er you. In the frost your hands are numb. Remember, sweet comrade, how I showed you how a soldier holds her gun. A girl, a coat of fur and leather, holding a pistol in her hand, waiting and watching for the German convoy to come around the bend. Still, die Nacht ist ausgestern und der Frost hat stark gebrennt. So gedenkst du, wie ich hab dich gelernt, halten a Speier in die Hand, a Moid, a Pelzel und a Beret, und halt in Hand fest an a Gun, a Moid mit a mit einem Ponym, hito dem Säunes Karawan. She aims her trusty little weapon, breathes and pulls the trigger back. A transport full of ammunition, one shot stops it in its tracks. Gezielt, geschossen und getroffen, hat ihr kleinen Kehrpistol an Auto auf Fulinken mit Waffen verhalten, hat sie mit den Keul. Dawn, she crawls out of the forest with garlands of snow all in her hair. One more little victory for freedom, one more comrade brave and fair. Fartol von Wald gekrochen, mit Schneegirlanden auf die Ohr, gemutigt von kleinen Kennitzochen, war unser neuem freien Dor. Gemutigt von kleinen Kennitzochen, war unser neuem freien Dor. Treibt uns raus von Stadt, weil Schieres ist der neue Gott. Schreiben Zeitungen die Themes, wie ich kenn das heutzutage noch sein. Teures lang verstehen wir dem Memes, als Schieres ist ein falscher Wein. Und man ruft dem Oischer ab, das Gutnjack, und man halt dem Fahrer Bruch. Doch wie bald man verdient ein bisschen Summen, macht man dem Oischer noch. Oi noch, they're driving us out of town, 'cause luxury makes the world go round. Read it in the papers every morning. How could all this trouble come to pass? Years and years we listen to the warnings that luxury is just a golden calf. And they say the rich are parasites, and you say they are a curse. But as soon as you get yourself a little money in your purse, you're worse. Oi, wie schön ist mein Maschinendalle, that wir's halt in Keppele die ganze Welt. Oh, my little beautiful. See how fast it captures simply everything. 9096, 9096, 99% are we. 99% don't measure up these days to one who lives in luxury. 9996 in der Folk von eurem Hase kommt nicht zu sehen Gewehr. 996 sehnen mir. 996, 996, 996 sehnen mir. 996, 996, 996 sehnen mir. You wanna join the 1%? Just gather 99 good friends. Take from them the best they have to offer. Let them eat the leavings of your meal. Soon you will be filling up your coffers, scraping heaven with your glass and steel. If they say you are a dirty bum who takes without restraint, just make a little donation and they'll say you are a saint. A saint. Dus Ferdinand Neuscher Heinz is amul 99 Freund. Im Tobe sei das Schönste und das Beste. Sollen sie leben ein bisschen eng und schmoll. Du wirst sich beugen Fundamenten feste. Kratzen wollten's mit dein Glasen Stoll. Als bei der gerufen ab Pusten, Puskudnjak am Aguschem dicker Stick. So schenken a schöne ne Dove, was da wären an Antik. Antik, oi wie klug ist unser Räuscherung. Seht wir weiß wie euch zu heilen die ganze Welt. Oh, how smart is our philanthropist. How he heals the whole wide world with charity. 996, 996, 99% are we. 1%'s a lonely number, lonely with his riches and his luxury. 996 ist der Räuscher, 91 mit seiner Schere, so einer Schere. 996 sehnen mir. 996, 996, 996 sehnen mir. Come on! 996, you got it! 996, 996 sehnen mir. But if the wheel should turn and the stock market should crash and burn, bloody murders scream the ruling classes. Don't blame us, we put the money down, while the rest of us are thrown out on our asses, looking for apartments out of town. So be a pal and not a pig, you'll have yourself to thank. Don't make your home a slot machine, don't turn your town into a bank. So ergibt sich das Rädel a dreh, und die Berge fällt bis hoch in den Weg. Schreit der 1% nicht kein los nicht zu rennen zum Kern zu. Weis mir besessen gewirre Schischereien, suchen neue Dieres, aber wo? Und wir haben nicht kein Chaser sein, das Leben hat geschankt. Wir machen nicht von der Wohnung, wir konnten, wir machen nicht von der Stadt. A Bank, 99 ist a Chaberschaft, 91 ist a Chaserschaft, 99 is a community, 1% is a fuck unity. 99, 99, 99% are we. 99% we are the 99%, we sing our melody. 99, 99, Lummer 99, singen unser Share. 99 sehnen mir. Fight a war with gas or cans of paint. But don't you realize that the game is compromised if you think that this is something that it ain't? We got images of murder that don't manage to disturb an international order that is bordering absurd. And no one gets the freedom they were told that they deserve till they realize freedom's not a noun. It's a verb, it's a verb. Freedom is a verb. Something never finished, never done. It's something you must make, it's something you must take, it's something you must constantly become. revolution is a radical inclusion. It's a holiday of popular revolt. It's the social interaction of inconsequential actions using faces to replace a silent vote. But lower pay and higher rent's another kind of violence. Violence of silence and of greed. It's the violence of feeling your irrelevance, revealing every way in which you never will be freed. It's a verb, an action and an urge, as fertile as the barrel of a gun. And it happens out of need, it's a fire and a seed, and its terrible potential has begun. That your liberty is constantly in jeopardy. It's something you must loyally defend. But isn't it demeaning when your well-intended meanings mean your means will have to justify your ends? So improvise a barricade of furniture cascading in a carnival of helmets in the flood. For the bottles can be filled with either gasoline or lager or detergent that'll wash away your blood. It's a verb. Freedom is a verb, something never finished, never done. It's something you can fake, and it's something that will break if it ain't something that you constantly become. It's a verb, an action and an urge as fertile as the barrel of a gun. And it happens out of need, it's a fire and a seed, and its terrible potential has begun.